Greetings and welcome to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel, and in this short video I'm going to explain to you why the toxic set theoretic approach of division by sharing equally compared to division by measure seriously harms your learning and your ability to understand and build further complexity in mathematics. Okay, so let's begin. Now, if we look at a typical division example, okay, so you have to remember that the operation of division, and in fact all the four basic operations and any other arithmetic operations, come to you from geometry directly. They are in fact transferred to algebra intact, with only one little difference. In algebra, we no longer care about the type and the size of the abstract unit. So, excuse me, if you have a blue line like this, which you wish to divide by a red line, in other words, their distances, how will you do that if you do not have algebra? Okay, so you don't have algebra. We'll get to the algebra part in a moment, but just bear with me. So in geometry, you would do this. You would measure it. You would say 1, 2, 3, 4, and there'd be a little bit left over, right? As I show you over here, like that. Okay, and then you can count the quotient. The quotient is 4, and this little bit here, which we could say is the complete measure of the blue line by the red line. Now, how would you do this in set theory? Because look, you can't have half a set or a fraction of a set, okay? Sets are complete, well, supposedly complete objects that consist of themselves as sets or elements, okay? In other words, a set can contain elements which are sets or other sets. So the whole idea of set theory in terms of mathematics is very harmful to your learning of division and understanding more complex ideas such as long division, polynomial division, factor theorem, remainder theorem, etc., etc. There are so many things that you do not understand because your buffoon mathematics lecturers and teachers don't understand these things. Now, what am I offering you? Let's see what I'm offering you. Let's close that because I don't need it anymore. So, first of all, I'm offering you a members-only subscription where you can see what I've just told you and a lot more in this directory here. You get access to this directory, okay? Or you can buy this book, which is a work in progress and gets updated on my Amazon Kindle, okay? It's a great book, and it's called The Importance of Learning the Right Way. What does division mean in mathematics, and how does it affect all other arithmetic concepts? So if you're a member on my channel, and you can become a member by simply clicking on the join button on any of my videos. Let me just show you how. So you go to the video and you click on the video, and then you'll see a little join button here. This join button. Oh, well, here you can't do that. I guess you have to do it on one of the videos that are not for children, which is this one here, say. Okay. So you go to this video, and you'll see a join button. You click on the join button. And for the small cost of $4.99, greetings once again, for only €4.99 a month, you'll have access to this directory and everything else that I share with the members only. It's knowledge that you won't find anywhere in your mainstream mathematics textbooks or ever in the history of humanity. So this is knowledge that is prized above everything else, okay? And I only share it with members. So you need to become a member to see what's inside here. Also, I sometimes answer specific questions. For example, this user had a question about calculus, and inside here there is a lot of information that you won't find in college or university or in any of your mainstream textbooks. So if you're a member, you could also ask me questions and I could answer them like I did for this particular person here. So what you need to do then is become a member as soon as possible. And if you haven't already bought this book, I highly recommend that you buy it, because it also includes the way humans learn. That is CATUS. Okay, we have a CATUS manager in our brains, and you can read more about that inside this fantastic book for only $10 or €10. And that's pretty much it. I'm John Gabriel, and this is New Calculus Channel. Till next time, good.